back to my channel. I know it's been a little while. I'm probably gonna put out a barrage of videos in the next couple of days, but I wanted to go ahead and get on here because there's a lot of FabFitFun buzz right now. The new summer box is coming out. Customization is happening for annual members on Friday, I think, or Saturday. And summer is kicking in, so I need to talk about some of the stuff I haven't talked about yet, because there's about to be a lot more to talk about. So what I have here, as you can see, it's still in the box, but I got it pretty recently, is my market order from Causebox. So this was the market order that I made right before the spring Causebox. I didn't get very much, and I'll have to find the prices as usual and post them on the screen for you. But I got a few things. Usually for me, I was a latecomer to Causebox, so there's a lot of Causebox previous items that I didn't get, that I missed, that they often will have in the market. And so once I see them in the market sales, I usually snap them up, usually in a bundle. So that being said, let me show you what I've got. So this was a bundle. This was like a little summer bundle. The first item is the All Good Reef Friendly Sport Sunscreen SPF 30 Zinc Formula Non-Greasy. So this was kind of like a little extra. This wasn't like the main thing that I wanted from this bundle, but I will probably have use for this because I do spend a lot of time outside in the summertime, as much as I can. What I really wanted was the wet bag. So this is a wet bag from Green Label. Yeah, Green Label. I thought this was so cute when I saw people unboxing it from their previous Causebox boxes. What it is a wet bag for your swimwear, or really for any wet clothing items or anything like that. The inside of it is waterproof. The outside is this pretty shell print, and I thought it was super cute. You can bring it with you to the beach, store your wet bathing suit in it so that nothing in your beach bag gets wet, and I thought that was awesome. So that is the second item in my summer bundle. The third item is this caftan. So I really like this in theory. I have kind of messed with it, played with it a little bit. It's not as big as I thought it would be, and because I'm a tiny bit overweight, I really wish this was a little bigger. Because I can't do all the versatile things with it that you're supposed to be able to do. But it is a caftan style. The pattern are these pretty lines, which I really like. The material is kind of luxurious. I really like it. I think it's fantastic. I think it's 100% cotton, made in India. So yeah, it's really nice. It's just slightly not as big as I wanted it to be. This is by Tribe Alive, and so you can wear it like a poncho kind of style. What I probably will do with this more often than not is use it as a scarf. So when you fold it the other way, it becomes more of a shawl. Can make it do it. It becomes more of a shawl kind of thing, which I think is really cute, and I like it a lot, and I'm a shawl kind of person, so I do wear that sort of thing a lot, but it can also be used as a cover-up for the beach. I really like it. Again, just wish it was a little bigger. The next couple of items are kind of just miscellaneous things that I grabbed when I saw them. One of them is a walnut scrubber. This came as a 2-pack. That's cellulose for the soft side, made from plant-based materials, and the rough side is made from walnut shells. It cleans dishes, countertops, appliances, and more. Safe for you, earth-friendly, and responsible living, so it's a sustainable choice. Non-toxic, earth-friendly materials. Yeah, I'm happy with this so far. It came in a pack of 2, so this is a new one that I haven't used yet, but I am in the process of using the first one, and I like it so far. Next, I have a Mira 3-container set. I haven't used this at all yet, but they look like they nest. And this, I believe, is stainless steel. Yep. So these are just some stainless steel containers. So they nest, I think it's 2 of them, maybe it's 3. It's 3. And so this is just for lunch type things, or like packing lunches, or for snack times, or like little containers to store food in. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I have been very good about choosing things that I need, things I don't have, things that I can use, or things that are needing replacement in my house, and not choosing just based on like a whim, or based on just wanting something instead of needing it. So I'm pretty happy with that. So look forward to a few other videos. I have sort of a favorites video idea in mind. There is a Erin Condren video that I haven't posted yet, and that may or may not go up before this one. So check that one out, and check out the link below. I will put a Causebox link if you want to subscribe to Causebox. And also there will be lots of FabFitFun videos coming up. The next video that I post will probably be a FabFitFun favorites video before I get my box, so that I can give you guys coupon codes for FabFitFun. That's pretty much it. Bye.